Classifications of restrictive cardiomyopathy is what we'll be treating today. And the classifications of restrictive cardiomyopathy is more of like, yeah, you already know what restrictive cardiomyopathy is, okay? This abnormally, the heart muscles are being compressed. Is restrictive cardiomyopathy. So if you are talking about the classification, you are simply talking about if the problem is originating from the heart or if the problem is originating from outside the heart. Okay, so if it is originating from the heart, that means it is a local problem. Okay, right there at the heart. Then if it is originating from outside the heart, that means there's something that is causing it. So it's like a secondary problem. Okay, so before we look at the classification, this is one where we're just listing it because we still discuss each of those classifications, the primary one and the secondary one. So let's have the definition of restrictive cardiomyopathy. We say that this one is a form of cardiomyopathy in which the walls of the heart are rigid. Okay, so it could be that, yeah, the walls of the heart are not flexible again, or it could be that it is compressive too. Okay, but just say that the walls of the heart are rigid, so the heart is not flexible again. Okay, so that's why I see they drew all those lines and everything. So the walls of the heart are kind of like stiff, they're in one place. Okay, so thus the heart is restricted from stretching and filling with blood properly. Okay, so now it is the least common type of the three original subtypes of what cardiomyopathies. So other types of cardiomyopathies we have what? Hypertrophic, dilated, and unrestricted. And unrestricted, sorry, restrictive. So amongst these three, this restrictive is the less common. Okay, so we said that the types are what? Primary restrictive cardiomyopathy. They'll have secondary restrictive cardiomyopathy. Primary restrictive cardiomyopathy, the problem is right there at heart. Then secondary, there's something outside that is causing it. Okay, so if you want to treat the secondary one now, you just take out what is causing it and you solve the problem. Okay, so have a video which will be talking about primary restrictive, and we'll have a different video where we're talking about the secondary restrictive. All right, so that's it about the classifications of restrictive cardiomyopathy.